Hi everyone. So good evening. So this is my first YouTube live session. So two people have joined. Superb. So why this YouTube live session? So I started this YouTube channel in 2019. Yeah, in 2019 during July. So why I started this YouTube channel? I was actually looking for weight loss. So I used to look for weight loss before in YouTube, and I found one YouTube channel very cool. I remember the YouTube channel's name, but I don't want to mention it. It was regarding keto diet. So this person here, he was trying keto diet to lose weight, and he was a cook also. So even I love cooking and I wanted weight loss because I was very overweight in the sense I was almost 120 kgs, and I had a medical condition. So doctor always used to advise me to lose weight. Uh, Not only doctor, whoever meet me, the final touch or the last line would be, "Why can't you lose some weight?" Okay. Even I have tried for more than 15 years to lose weight, but nothing was successful because my eating habits. So you guys know, who are not new to my channel, I am a foodie. I love traveling and I explore food in all means. So when I started this channel, also it was during lockdown. So during lockdown, I didn't have uh, like I didn't know what to do because a lot of time left, nowhere to go, nothing to do. So I thought, why not cook something or do something for serious weight loss? And what I did was I was following a person, so I started cooking my own keto dishes. It was very tasty, and I enjoyed what I'm doing. So I thought, why not document it? So I started documenting my cooking videos. So I love what I do. So I did it with all my dedication. But my thing in mind was to lose weight. Other everything went good, but my weight loss, I actually followed it for almost 3 months. And in what happened was the fourth month, I had put on 12 kgs. So my idea was to lose weight, but I gained 12 kgs. And my medical condition was varicose veins. So I was almost suffering from 15 years because of varicose veins. So in my engineering, so somewhere in 20 exactly 2015, I guess. So I got myself, I underwent a surgery. So it was a keyhole surgery. And what my doctor told me was, your surgery is done, then everything will be fine. You have to reduce some weight. So he actually asked me to reduce some weight and then go for the surgery. But still, I could manage some 5 to 6 kgs, but that was not successful because after that also I put on weight. So finally, my surgery was done. So after my surgery was done, and I was very happy that no more problems of varicose veins. But after 6 months, where the actual surgery was done, very close to that, I could see a new vein popping up. So my varicose vein issue, which I had from 15 years, came back soon after 6 months. So no, nothing worked. And what my doctor told me was, it's because of your overweight. Yeah, even the surgery went unsuccessful, so you have to lose at least 40 kgs. So I was 120 then. So 40 kgs, losing 40 kgs was a dream come true. Those days I used to dream, like I go to bed and the very next day something happens like magical or something, and the very next day I turn fat to fit. But I don't think so that happens, because we are not in Alice Wonderland or something. We are all normal people. So nothing happened like that. So every day I used to have that fear in mind that, yes, my time is ticking, so I have to do something to lose my weight. I didn't know what to do. So somewhere in December 2020, yeah. So the lockdowns were all like gradually normalized, so you can go out. All these things were happening, but I was having that fear in me that I don't know, like, if I'll get to see 2021. That was my case, because I was posted for another surgery, but during this time period, uh, a normal surgery in the hospital was actually a nightmare because we had corona around, and my doctor had advised me, if you come to the surgery table, I don't think so you'll get back home, so you have to lose weight. So he always kept on insisting me to lose weight. But the last time he told me, it was on a serious note. He told me, if you don't lose weight now, and if 2 to 3 veins open up, then Sriraj, nothing can be done. That's your end. That's what he told me. So, to be frank, on December 30th or 29th, I got panicked, like what will happen this new year? Will I see this new year? So what I did was, as always, when I lose my confidence, when I go low, so next thing I do is order something online. So I had ordered a pizza, I think, on December 31st, 30th, yeah, night. So some new pizza joint near my place. I had ordered a pizza and I was having my pizza. So I had all negativity in my mind. What will happen? What will go wrong? But nothing to do. I have nothing in my hand, just my pizza. So I finished my pizza, and the very next day, so New Year. So as always, when a New Year comes in, I'll Google any good gyms or some workout or something nearby, and I'll get myself committed. Like this time, I'll do it. But this time I didn't have that in mind because I've tried almost everything, so nothing left to try. So finally, what I did was, I didn't know actually what to do. I was doing my routine work, and a day on 8th of Jan, I guess 8th or 6th of Jan, I don't know the exact date. That day, something different, like kind of a miracle happened. I had noticed on Facebook, like a friend of mine, she had posted a before after. Like I never seen this before after concept before that. So I was like this before, I'm like this now, and that before after, like made myself made my mind so alert. Like, how can someone of this what to say, of this size in particular, can turn to a fit person like this? That was totally a different experience. And I was confident because I know this person, and I know her. She was my schoolmate. So the very next thing, since it was Facebook, what I did was I texted her on Messenger and asked her, what did you do to lose weight? And she had a caption below, 38 kg weight loss. I was like, oh, here I'm not able to manage 4 kgs. How did she lose 38 kgs? So I asked her, and she asked me, like, are you seriously interested? Yes, I want to lose 40 kgs. So the very next thing what she did is she shared me a community link. So I attended that link that day. The first link was a quite different experience. I could get to see people sharing their personal experiences. Like, I was like this before, and I'm like this now. So thanks to my coach. So this coach, like, what is this coach? And I didn't know the ideology here. And as always, I was very curious. The very first thing what I did after the session was I called up my schoolmate and I asked her what actually this is. She sent me another session in the evening, I guess. So I finished a couple of sessions and I got desperate. I was like, no more sessions. Like, what should I do to get this amazing result? So she had invited me to a very prosperous place. Yes, it's a very super place of which changed my life. Yeah, and the first session when I attended, I remember. I don't want to disclose anyone's name here. So she told me that, sir, today is your life changing day. I was like, yeah, I've seen 30 years of my life. So many days have changed, but nothing changed in me. Mm, but I had nothing to do. So if somebody is giving you hope, I had to take it in a positive note. So I took it, and I had finished all my sessions. And first day when I went to that place, it was a different experience because early morning 6:30. I don't think so. You can get to see people like in their formals and all clean, shaved, looking good, looking confident. And I was a person there in my college sweatshirt. So I used to wear that sweatshirt because nobody should make out like how big my tummy is. Okay, and a different experience. And I was made to sit there, and I got my parameters checked, and I rocked all the parameters. My BMI was very bad. I mean, very good. It was too high. My BMR was bad. My trunk fat, visceral fat. I actually didn't know what all these parameters are, wherein I know knew BMI. So I was very bad in all the parameters, and the very first thing I did there was I was given a good breakfast. So the person who took me told me like, this is your breakfast today. So I had my breakfast. So after the breakfast was done, and she advised me what all food habits I should follow for the day, and I followed everything. And my problem before was extra cravings, but that day I could never experience any extra cravings. And she had given me a good advice, like, Sriraj, whatever you put in, like whatever you're trying to eat, just like, if you are confident this is for you, then okay, fine. If you have a doubt, just send me a message or call me and ask like whether I can eat this. So that day I started doing this, and I had my lunch. So she asked me to have tummy full lunch. So I was actually taken back, like, I want to lose weight, and she's asking me to have tummy full. So I asked her, and she said, no issues, you can have, just avoid wheat and maida. That was my instructions. So I did that, and same thing at night. So I finished my dinner. It was somewhere around 8:30, I guess. Normally, because of my varicose vein, I used to use compression stockings, and I couldn't like what withstand even half an hour without my stockings, and minimum 12 to 14 hours of stockings around. But that day, and whenever I come back home, like after I take off my stockings, it takes a minimum of 1 to 2 hours, so my blood circulation becomes normal and I can go to sleep. But same that day, actually I remember, yes, I had used my stockings, but that day I was feeling very comfortable and feeling somewhat fresh. And exactly 9 o'clock, I am in deep sleep. So I didn't remember when I started sleeping, and morning I woke up around 4. It was a very different experience. Like, how can I wake up at 4? Because normally I used to go to bed by 1 or 2 and wake up at least by 7 to 8, because I had to go to office by 9. So minimum 7. But that day I woke up at 4, and I was feeling very fresh. I didn't know what happened. So I went back to my the place which I'd been to. So the second day, I had made up my mind. No, I should look good, because it's a super place. Like, the first day experience was very good. So second day, what I noticed was, when I checked my weight, I had lost 400 grams. So that was quite what to say. It was little confusing. Like, what did I do to lose 400 gram? Actually, I had two meals. Only my breakfast changed. So that change in breakfast that day, I could sense a good feel, and I could make out, yes, if I am in this place, something will change. At least my weight. So that day I chose this good food as my breakfast, and that was on Jan 11th I started. And in a span of 7 months, exactly 213 days, I have lost 47 kgs. So when I started it, I was 118 kgs, and my lowest recorded weight is 71.7. So in numbers, exact numbers, 46 kgs, 700 grams. I have because that was below my ideal weight. My ideal weight is 73, so I lost 1 kgs extra than my ideal weight. So these 213 days seriously changed my life, because I started this journey mm, in a condition wherein another 100 days I was not sure like I'll be alive. That was my situation. It sounds funny, but it's the fact, because my condition, medical condition, is very bad, very overweight. And my weight was my what to say, my key to death. Yes, exactly. So if I didn't lose my weight, death was 100%. That's what my doctor told me. So you will die, because if you are this heavy, and if your varicose vein, like if the vein opens up or something, yes, excess of blood flow. If it's at night, early morning, you'll be dead. That's what he told me. But touch wood, I was lucky and I could find a solution for this. So I would thank the person who took me to that wonderful place. So she's my coach. Thanks to my coach. So she changed my life, because just a breakfast which I changed, I feel so happy now. I've lost weight. My skin, like actually, my skin tone was very bad. I had lot of sunburns and pigmentations on my face, and lot of pigmentations in my legs because of varicose vein. But wherein now I feel so confident. I seriously, in these 30 years of life, I've never felt good about myself. I used to always have an inferiority complex, like why am I like this? Like what's wrong with me? So, but now, to be frank, I feel I am the most fittest person around, and I am very confident. Like what I do, what I talk, and what I express or portray about myself. So this is my overall experience. Like I feel so proud of myself. Like when I started 118 and now 72, I don't think so. In this short span, somebody would have lost weight and got in shape this fast. So it's all because of a good food which I chosen, and a good decision of mine, wherein I had a lot of negativity around. I got negativity at times, like this is not good, you might face consequences because of this. But I had bigger consequences in me, so nothing could stop me. So from fats, from 118, I completed my ideal weight. That is 73 was my ideal weight. I've lost another 2 kgs. So I feel so proud. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining. So this was my first YouTube session. So look good, feel good. So this session was all about how I feel and how I look after this weight loss transformation. um, thank you so much for giving me your valuable time. So if there's something in future, I would post, and if you are comfortable, you can join in. And if you know any friends or colleagues or someone around who's like having a problem with their weight, you can refer them my YouTube channel or my contact number. So I will mention it in the description. So thank you so much. Bye.